it comes out to $968 a month in child support.
So we were friends. We went out for drinks after a promotion, and he's like, well, I can't pay child support, but I'll pay the daycare bill. He claims he only makes $24,000 a year.
Because legally, he cannot pay daycare and child support. I mean, you can't have it both ways. Based on the financial documents that he provided, at 20%, his child support should only be about $349. How much do you pay?
It's like $130 or something a month. It comes right out of my check, so I'm not sure the exact amount of it.
Okay. It looks like it's about $113.
$13, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least we know that by you paying daycare, the child's daycare expense is covered. You will have to reimburse her for the health insurance that she has on the child. So when you add the $855 plus the $113, it comes out to $968 a month in child support.
So I'm already paying $855 a month as compared to the $349 that you calculated.
Yes.
I should be responsible for. I've got to pay now $968 a month, which is, again, more than double what I'm supposed to be paying.